Hey guys, Rob here with your Ebuyer Gaming weekly roundup of some of this week's biggest announcements in both gaming and tech. So Asus this week announced a brand new gaming laptop that's going to feature a 1080p resolution with a refresh rate of 300Hz in both a 15 and 17 inch version. The Zephyrus S GX701 features an RTX 2080 GPU and will be followed by several other Asus laptops with 300Hz screens in 2020. This is an interesting development for laptops, especially as we have yet to see a 300Hz monitor on the market. Let us know what you think about the refresh rate craze in the comments below and whether you think this is something that you'd be interested in buying. In other laptop news, Razer have also announced the first Ultrabook to feature a dedicated graphics card. The new 13-inch Razer Blade Stealth will feature a dedicated GTX 1650 graphics card alongside Intel's 10th generation Ice Lake processors and 16GB of RAM. As a big fan of gaming laptops, I'm excited to see one this small with such a solid spec, and I'm hoping to be able to test this out sometime later this year. In gaming, this week saw the release of Gears 5 for both Xbox One and Windows 10. So far the game has been well received and you can currently gain access to it through the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which is only £2 for this month. Featuring 3-player co-op, a new escape mode and plenty of other new and classic features, the game is looking to be one of 2019's biggest releases. We'll be checking this out next week on our stream, so be sure to follow us there if you're interested in seeing some gameplay. I'll also upload some gameplay onto the YouTube channel just to show the kind of graphics that the game can produce. And finally this week, in preparation for their update on the 17th of September, Steam have updated their Steam Labs feature, which introduces more parameters for searching Steam for new games. This includes a price slider, options to hide certain games and also infinite scrolling. The full library update will release later this month to the beta client, so if you're interested, make sure that you're opted in to that client. So that's it for this week guys. Obviously we've had the Ghost Recon Breakpoint beta release as well and is available between the 5th and the 8th of September, so if you're interested in seeing that, we've been streaming it today over on our channel so you can watch the VOD there. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great weekend and we will see you next week for more videos.